Karibu sana Kitutu Masaba, elinde tuwegero ubundi, bachagotokonya, asama tukagocha. Biyamona.
Asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuli yiga kose obakirisi migutara sinamba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068 ninjolero eyubwenyolero bumanyi ubumurago konye asubagima obumakiaya.
Wasomu ya wancho muligere tukorea Ijumaa chitariki 10 asomutinyoega okane karibu sana Ekeonga Chinsa Isano no Ibere chabona mugaso asinchira ire yabene buna nkoleta nje Matilda Obaigwa na Nyavoke kurasinse mwiri yebimanyire nabo konyara usangana intwe ali Facebook nabo igo YouTube eyamo ase eyamo nana kirongo chaka Ekeonga kurase county ya Nyamira mwancho muligereria Mwaziri w'ekisemi mensi ya Kenya Moske Julius Migos Ogamba nikobono anyale ukora etaro yaye litukulere romambi ase University ya Nyamira iyo egendete kwa gacho ase Chinsa mochiria chia kiabo nyoru na etare iyo nigobono ekokorekana amatuko amake bosyo bwetaro iyo muraibense Moske William Ruto gocha kurututa magendero sorogongo rwagusi kubwa muno ase county iyo ya Nyamira chinga kecho nigobono anyale gutabuna buya egendete kwa gacho nabo igogose Emilian Koraro robuna nirachikwera iliyo kukonya abamenyi we county ya Nyamira na bwigo abantu kura Chinsa mo emergency ya Kenya.
Lakini karato wabe kamo ikina kia rukotini tuachaga igano mo minister of defense the president karu instructions abantu ba defense baga chi university bakubwatarana na Kisii University. Kaligo tuachaga tukabeka nakendo kirego rwo karagita ground breaking talibo muinari karatu akolire abantu ba defense bachira kaiwa bawusibane wasomete babwata chitigiri abandi Isano abandi Ibere abandi yemo aho tena university kole tiki ono kibulinge kirende twaje tekwa gachange ntuki yakiagara nacha yakiagara monene ngochari gaiga Jumatatu ngochari gaiga lile Jumatatu yara ndaka bulinga na igweta abantu batanga university yo kuna abatumite ne minisa mugana mwakora ground breaking igende kero kama devi mwabin kero na mungu kwera pa korro koreki lakini achira kulige linga yangiche ndole gosenkera gosaba ndori abamuki igende kabakera bochogera lakini anyo rene koreki na ate virunga by September university ya Bereki na bana bakoreki
Ichinga kecho mwaziri Ogamba nigobono aboliria mumenye bwa county ya Kisii na bwigeri ya Nyamira banyare ko mwarigani umuraibwense Moske William Ruto ekero awocha koigora amagendero gusikoligereria magendero ayo agendete gukorekana asoro gongoro iga chinga kecho nigatebira muna anomone county ya Nyamira nigo yabereke gotebekana abuna ababwatani bayo Moske William Ruto tibayo kolinde nigatebire muraibwense arukiwe amaskani
Ekero muna boja au kwana akimoko welcome doji mwete wako nyumtumena nganyamira tutamte nero ara nero kimbo tutam akino anyambari mutali tutam dawa boli kara mujita skuli asnale mochi Muru nyumba mwende siku mojotur Gato bere nyumba igato leta mage acha okonya abantu baitu usibona mugo kwan omonene gagocha welcome buya karibo abakamura abakamurega iga bari mubwate kinyomba wetane yemo moro karugocha kuo kinyomba kirisa to konyore yeme karako ga numonye nuri oro gakuma na gisa chonsu nyagote biwanta oyo kabere ore onde osoyo gatato tenga no nyentrita muna boko vera kayo wanja baso kayo wanja baso
na emambi ya rero nigo igatia bomenyi be bunge ya kitutu cha Chinsa korwase location ya jogo bono banyara gukora okorobekana igoro yorobebe aste tiavisi cyo mugambi korwa location ya bosongo iyo gotoka imyanyari bari chache bono chi robere gocha kwa gacho engane yiga nigo yanyara kolenta libirera litindi nabo igo nekiro abamenyi abo banyare kubolia abana siasa osikachimbebe ase obukoreri bwechi bunge cyabo chicho na chaliganire nere dipon asanya.
Kwa majina naitwa Samuel Otaro Miroro. Mimi ni residence ya Jogo location. Leo hii tumekuja hapa kwa sababu ya mambo ambayo tumeona yamekuwa ya ajabu sana ambayo hatujawahi kuona. Jogo location ni location ambayo tumepewa ambayo ni mpya, iko na jivo wake na masub chief na iteresi pamoja na Nyankongo. Kitu ya ajabu ni kwamba tumekuta ya kwamba hii pana ambayo imewekwa hapa inatoka Nyaribari constituency. Bosongo location iko under Nyaribari constituency. Sasa tumeshangaa ya kwamba leo hii wamekuja kuchenga ofisi ya chief ambayo ni ya Bosongo location ichengwe juu ya Jogo. Na sisi wenyewe tuko hapa ni Mwamusioma na Mwabundusi. Marieta nchengo rukomo ina naro uti file cha administrator Jogo location Teresa location. Chebone yendo kumete nda itokote chanda igato morende. Onyora malima babolire Nyaribari chache baje tubatonete amalima igaboge tutu wese tubaoneri. Taba soko tutumane na Nyaribari na ndenga igamboge tutu central tole. Igobana nyamalima baere ide baje tubatonete amalima igaboge tutu.
Majina naitwa Duke Nyarango, ni MC wa Kitutu Central Ward ikiwa kwa hii location yetu ya Jogo. Kwa hakika nimeshangaa sana kwa vile MP wa Nyaribari chache yendeka wajui boundaries yake na yetu. Mimi ni mwanasiasa, hii ni area yangu na kuna siku ambayo nimesikia ya kuwa Bosongo location iko Kitutu Central Ward, Bosongo location iko Nyaribari. So from today Mheshimiwa Chanda, if you don't understand your boundaries, please say the old one says waponyeze boundaries zako ili location yako iweke Nyaribari.
Ndobu atyo mheshimiwa gorokoke bagendi atari yoke bagendi ndobu atyo mheshimiwa gorokudiuki atari yodiuki ndoko tayebe Banyaribari bakeep off.
Na korwa asi serikali nene mwanchi umurire murai wense muske William Ruto nikubono anyare kora egikaro ekyo korigeriria enjira umuchio Nairobi oranyare kugendera kwa gacho anamuno asi amangana yokosira basaye ebiegwa emergency ya Kenya nechinga kiecho nigatebirubuna ekirenga ke serikali nene kubwaterana na gosira umuchio Nairobi no kane kebuna umuchio yo nyare gukina onyare gwika ebirengo bikolengandwa nemichie menene emergency ngima.
The renewal of Nairobi's Central Business District. We envisioned the underutilized land into a dynamic, mixed-use urban district that integrates transport, commerce, culture, sports, and public life. In doing so, we would restore Nairobi's Central Business District as a space that functions beyond the limits of the traditional workday, supporting a vibrant, safe, and productive 24-hour economy. This week, during the Africa Urban Forum, we have witnessed discussions that reaffirm that this is the direction in which competitive cities are moving. Deliberate master planning for our cities is one of the key strategies that makes transformative investment like the one we witnessed this morning possible. It provides clarity, reduces fragmentation, aligns infrastructure with investment, and creates the confidence required for private capital to participate meaningfully in public development. What we are witnessing today is that confidence in real action. And again, this is a demonstration of what private-public partnership can achieve. We have many projects now going on around Kenya under this framework. When we made that commitment that it will not be only about what we can do with our taxes or what we can do with debt, it is also what we can do with private capital and building the confidence in the private capital.
Ichinga kichumwa nchomurire ni kubono ikiombe gya Kenya Railways Corporation bono kyanyare gukora ukuigwana ni company manyakanite buna Zaria Group ilio kwendeke buna indimiro iyo yabwatukirwo na Kenya Railways erechieka ikomene Isano na Ibere nechi kwenekia ose nechi kwagachwa ebiwanda ebiti na boigo chihol echichiranyare ko bachigokonya si amangana yechigosori anomono gokinia chi talent ose evyewa ime yense ya Kenya nechinga kecho nigo banyare kukwanira usiabarai igati yabo omugabana wa county ya Nairobi mwaziri wechiseme musikesali mvuria na bwigona barai vande banyare kukwanira buna emechieso gose mepira au na boneri ya basketball na bwigo nebintu binde binge mbichikoba bigo ikiranirwa asense meyo magacho arairi umwakoyomo.
Everybody who comes says it is easier to get to Nairobi from any part of the world and do what you want to do here, instead of jumping here and going to any other part of Africa. This arena is going to make Nairobi the heart of basketball in Africa. And I'm sure that that is going to be reality sooner rather than later. Now I know the Kigali one was done in 6 months. And I don't know why we're doing ours in 12 months. But we want it done sooner rather than later. The young people, not just of Nairobi, but of this entire region, from Mombasa, Kisumu, Kampala, Entebbe, Kigali, Dar es Salaam, are going to have the capital in Nairobi City County. So Excellency, we want to thank you. It's been a good week for Nairobi. It's been a magnificent week for our city. And we're seeing a change that is happening. We used to say that Nairobi is going to be Africa's New York, but we want to change that. Nairobi is going to be Africa's Nairobi.
I want to assure you, Zaria Group, that the Nairobi, you're going to be in the heart of a very modern space that, like I said, will be managed by a master developer, will actualize the plan to ensure that we recreate Nairobi to be the city, the African city, the African modern city.
Will provide an opportunity. You know, basketball is one of the disciplines that has not received very good attention in terms of investment. However, it has a lot of funds, and it is a whole ecosystem, and therefore we are very glad that the youth of this country will have a facility which will not just be for sports, but will also position Nairobi and Kenya as a truly strategic location for investment.
Endelea kurigiriria Getembe TV na kubwa muno ase murubiri urasoya sembeo murubiri of vibes on vibes rero lituko oria ijuma tubasa guska ikegera eke nakyo Ekeonga kya mwamogusi eriane Matilda Obaigwa kurase bimanyiririo veni nyaboke na bwigo nere Elvis manyara bakubwatirana na Eugene kurase studio ya kabiri enda utubwatia asi Chinsa mocha Facebook na bwigo YouTube na asi umutanda o TikTok twara mugasomea.
omurayi omukuru bwense ya Burkina Faso Thomas Sankara nigatebete nigekoira ekerengo gete ky'obubalimo kibirengeraryo eliokolenta amoncheryo yamagenderero asamatukabucio nakyo gekogera omuseneta Gloria Oruoba erure koba ebalimo yaino asomusimamo y'omutindi akonye kurwanirira omugusi inyora omusike Oruoba nigalenge omuseneta omochorwa wekiama gya serikali gya UDA kurende agesokya kubwatisia omurwaniriria wekerugo ky'oburayi bwense kurwa orogonko rwagusi omusike Dr. Fred Matiang'i abange bakamuruke balimo igoika kaurwe kerugo kyaye ky'obuseneta asogotenena n'omugusi omwabo nonyabono atabwati emirimo obeire okurwanirira abasubati wekinia kiuchumi koenana ebitamba by'obochenu naboigo kurwania chisegi chiegenka bono nigo aboliri omugusi komochora buna omu women representative bwe county ya Kisii asobochori bw'omwaka ogocha elio aire obubalimo bwaye alia sebunge agenderere kurwanirira omugusi emeremeye nigetagete omusubati omulemu Oruoba narokwe balimo takumeti kugicha obubalimo obo bokonye kurwanirira omugusi mbuya gutwara omusubati omulemu gose balimo kubwa gutwara omusubati omwoba okoni gesaku oyo nere Gloria Oruoba ebalimo yagusi.